Hey guys, welcome to Renait Reborn. My name is John Renait and you are now watching the best photography YouTube channel in the world. As you've read in the title above, today I'm going to be showing you some vlog clips that I took at my last photo shoot, except in this photo shoot I was actually the model. Myself and a friend of mine called Laura, we were asked by an MUA based in Kent, Maidstone, to be models. So we set up a fake wedding shoot. So there were so many people involved, and I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that was involved. We had literally a photographer, videographer, a makeup artist, a hairstylist, a hat person. We had a person that did stationery. We had a venue which was a yoga retreat slash wedding venue. So there was a lot of people involved in this photo shoot. I'm gonna put all of the at names in the beginning of the video right here, and I'm gonna put at the end of the video as well. So literally we traveled from London to Maidstone. We took a couple of trains. So we took a train from Victoria Station all the way to I believe it's Borough and Rotherham Green. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere. It was an easy journey. It was a 45-minute journey, and luckily one of the makeup artists, Melinda, was able to pick us up from the station. Absolutely lovely, beautiful journey, beautiful area. It's an area which I would love to buy a home in one day, hopefully. In the next clips, I'm going to show you some behind the scenes. It was absolutely a fun shoot. Myself and Laura felt absolutely comfortable. It was a 100% awesome environment to be in. Like I said before, there were so many people that were involved in making this shoot. It felt so professional. As a photographer, it's really important for me to understand what it is to be a model. So I've set myself a challenge for 2020 to actually create a modeling portfolio. Yes, I know I have a modeling face, but it's not something that I'm naturally inclined to do. Stay tuned, I have some more photos to show you in the middle of the video. You can also go to my personal Instagram where I will be posting these modeling photos, and I will be increasing my modeling portfolio. If you're a photographer based in London, please DM me on @Renait Reborn or @John Renait. I will definitely get back to you. I would love to work with new up-and-coming photographers. If you have no experience, then it doesn't matter. I would still love to work with you. Just send me a DM or message me or go on my website.
Is that on?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Hey. Yeah.
That's more because that's where I am.
Looking good, yeah?
I'm gonna actually remove all
The sound. Yeah, you need to.
So yeah. I'm actually gonna clear that.
Hey.
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 ring me, dog. And it's actually what couples do.
I know.
Did he sell
Take
you?
pictures of it.
Okay, cool.
Look at me, I'm way too overexposed.
Yeah, I can go down a little bit. So, but don't forget, I can change it post.
Hi.
Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this vlog. Please tell me what you think about the preview photos. There's going to be a lot more photos that I'm going to be posting in the near couple of weeks, so please stay tuned. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.
I be struggling, trying to make it out this world. I be juggling, trying to find my own soul.
Trying to find my soul, bro. I ain't gone outside, bro. Got a family, and I still wanna be a go. Looking at this world, and all I see is hate.